I'm interested in the biological interactions between species, and one of the most puzzling is the relationship between these giant tube worms and all the associated fauna that lives on their tubes. So I decided to fix the surface area and make identical sized aggregations and put them in 3 different habitats. We dove right on the elevator, which is about 300 meters away from the site, but we were able to pick up the elevator, get right to the site. As soon as we got to the site, we saw the experiment immediately. From the site of this experiment, we could see another one of the deployments and see that everything was intact. I'm ecstatic that I got all 3 of these back to the surface and that they have been colonized by other animals. I'm absolutely delighted. Well, here's one giant polychaete. This is called Nereus sandersii. Nereus is a genus that's found in a lot of marine environments, but it's a nice, big, beautiful, predatory polychaete. But I see a couple of those. This is a polynoid, a scale worm. You can see it still has its scales intact. Oh, look at this as a fairly unusual gastropod. Oh, wow! So this species is very common in the natural occurring tuberm aggregations. This species is very common in mussel clumps, and I only found 2 of these total in my collections from last year. 2 individuals. So the fact that I've already seen one, and if there are more, might be the representation of more of the associated fauna that is found in mussel communities. It was neat to observe the changes already from 1 year. The site is maturing a lot. The tuberms are being overgrown with mussels, which is the kind of developed successional pattern. And so it's